When you want to create a simple walk cycle, then you only need to define two separate poses. The first pose defines the contact point, that is when both feet are placed at their maximum distance. And the other pose defines the passing pose, that is where both legs are closest to each other. So, these two poses are enough to create a simple walk cycle, and by modifying just those two poses, you can create very different walk types. In practice, you need only a few simple copy-paste operations to convert this into a walk. First, you copy the initial pose into the pose buffer. And then you do a mirror copy to the center of the walk cycle. Then, you copy the pose once more to the end of the cycle. Finally, the stand pose is mirror copied from the first quarter of the cycle to the third quarter. And that is basically all what you need to do. However, when you continue working for a while, and after you have added more and more intermediate keyframes, then it might become more and more tedious to propagate your changes to the right places along the timeline. Therefore, I have created the Sparkles Walk Cycle tool. This add-on does all the copy and mirror magic automatically. So, here is the tool in action, and it is very simple to use. You define the start frame of your walk, and the center frame where half of the walk is done, and the first target frame where the copies of the created poses shall be placed. So in this example, the frames 0 to 29 shall get copied to the frames 30 to 59. When we set the Add Start Frame option, then actually this ensures that the final walk cycle will always begin with a keyframe, and also all bones involved in the walk cycle will already be keyframed right at the begin of the cycle. When we set the Add End Frame option, this ensures that the walk runs smooth, that is, the start frame and the end frame will match. The Replace option cleans up the copy range before the copy is done, thus any leftover keyframes get removed. This means, you do not need to do any manual cleanup like what I do here. Just keep the garbage at its place. It will be removed automatically. And finally, X Mirror mirrors all keyframed poses into the copy range. Once you have set up the numbers, then, as soon as you have made a change in the first quarter of your walk, just press the copy button, and all the needed transformations are done in a snap. And of course you can add more changes as you like, and you can add as many keyframes as you need. Press the copy button, and your walk cycle gets updated. The Sparkles Walk Cycle add-on is shipped with Avastar 1.1, and it is already available in Avastar's Release Candidate 3. Thank you for watching, and have a nice day.